Multifunction smash machine with high-power motor. 10's rapid grinding stainless steel electric grain grinder mill for spice. Coffee bean seasonings are widely used in grinding whole grains, soybeans, black rice, corn, etc. Chinese medicine, ginseng, astragalus, etc. Coffee beans, vanilla seasoning. Super hard materials, pearls, oily materials, sesame, peanuts, etc. Fiber-containing materials, Lingzhi. Efficient, high-power motor, 4-blade serrated blade, rotary cutting, precise structure, low noise, can quickly crush all kinds of dehydrated food, rice, corn, sesame, soybean, fish feed, pepper, medicine, more uniform grinding. Deepening the grinding chamber. The deepening design of the grinding chamber ensures that the ingredients have enough space to bounce when powdering, and the powder is more delicate. Lightweight and safe, it has the advantages of beautiful appearance, lightweight and free movement. Key switch, simple operation. There are cooling holes at the bottom to ensure the service life of the motor. Transparent cover. The transparent cover allows you to observe the grinding process to form a coarser fine powder. Smooth and easy to clean. Crushing different drugs will never produce color and odor. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.